Hello guys, welcome to One Plant. My name is Valen. Today I'm gonna show you how to rescue Flamingo lily. It's been a while since I changed up the soil last few months. The problem is after I change up the soil, the plant it doesn't grow that much and the leaves start to die, like some are like the burn like you see on this corner right here. The other day I checked out on the plant, I saw some ants crawling on the soil and it gave me a suspicious feeling, maybe the ant like making a homes inside the soil. So today I decided to dig deep inside to see what's going on and maybe I can give me a maintaining more of the roots. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see right now, I'm try to like scooping up the side of the pot, so try to loosen up the soil and easy for me to pull it out. So right now the soil is loose, it's easy for us to pull it out. So I'm just like, you don't have to like put a lot of force, just like slightly and wiggle it. It should be out right away. You know what guys, I was right. The ant making the nest inside the pot. Look, I'm not sure if you could see in the video, but here I saw some ant crawling on it and it tried to escaping it. These are the roots. It looks still healthy, not that much of a damage. So I'm trying to separating it right now. And guys, look. You see that? See that small tiny thing? It's inside the roots. That's why. Crazy. It's crazy. So that means like this soil cannot be used anymore and we gotta throw it away because it's not a brand new soil. Okay, so separate it more, make sure that the old soil is not stuck into the roots. And I got some baby plants in it. Maybe I keep it. Alright, so let's go with a rinse. Make sure like the end doesn't stick in there and the old soil loosening up. Alright, so right now it's time to trim up the dead roots and also leaves or any shell that it doesn't supposed to be there. And also like checking up if any ants still in it. After this, I disinfect it with peroxide. You can find this at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and any retail shop they have it. What I'm doing is just like pouring on top to make sure like it go to the root like thoroughly, so it won't be any space left over. Okay, let me do it one more time. By the way guys, so excuse my table, okay? So right now I'm going at new soil. I'm using potting mix soil for indoor plant. I put the root like down so I make sure like the soil will cover up the roots, make some space through it. I add more soil to make sure like it go all the way, the root not left over. I'm shaking the pot, make sure like the soil is covered, go all the way down. Give it like a peel, tap, tap, tap. More soil. This is the last step. I give water to soil, make sure there's no air that left over, and also give soil some moisture. That's it guys, that's all it takes to help the plants. And if you guys like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share my video. Until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye guys.